My name's Eben Upton. I'm one of the founders of Raspberry Pi, and I've got a pip. This is incredibly awesome. This is a Raspberry Pi compute module based mobile device, all detachable controllers, that lets you lets you develop content in JavaScript, in Python, in HTML, and in my favorite language, Lua. As a games industry guy, I love programming stuff in Lua. And you can write this stuff in a web browser, and then you can upload it onto this device, and then you can carry it around with you. It's got a Raspberry Pi compute module, a screen, these little clip-on controllers, and all of the GPIO connectivity of a Raspberry Pi. So you can do all that physical computing goodness that you can do with a Raspberry Pi, but you can do it on the go. This sort of stuff's really important. I mean, this is exactly the kind of thing that we were hoping people would do when we created the Raspberry Pi compute module. Take the Raspberry Pi platform and all the stability and performance of the Raspberry Pi platform to places that we could never have imagined. We didn't have this in our mind when we were doing it, but we knew people would do cool stuff with it. Being able to take content you've developed out into the world and show it to people is really important. Making a cool thing in your bedroom, this is for kids of all ages, right? But we all like to sit in our bedrooms and make cool stuff. These things are cool. They're doubly cool. They're trebly cool. They're 10 times as cool if you can take them out into the world and show people. So this ability to develop and then share is really important. Although this doesn't look a lot like a Raspberry Pi, of course it is in many respects a Raspberry Pi. You can run Raspbian on it. It has its own software environment, but you can run Raspbian on it just as you can run Raspbian on a Raspberry Pi. It has the 40-pin GPIO connector that's compatible with the Raspberry Pi. It has some kind of fun accessories. This is one I was particularly fond of. So a little bit of breadboard with ribbon cable. Nice thing about this is you can isolate. It's got a little switch, so you can plug this into your device. And I've got to say, I may get one of these and plug this into my own Raspberry Pi because this is the number of times that I've rebooted my Raspberry Pi by accidentally connecting the wrong stuff on a breadboard at the wrong time. But you can plug that in, and then you can isolate it from the ribbon cable, and then you can plug all your components in. And once you're absolutely certain that you're not going to accidentally reset or fry your Raspberry Pi or your pip, you can flip the switch and it connects up. So this kind of stuff, like I say, this is the sort of thing we hope people would build the compute module. We showed the PCB for this and the full product around to the engineering team here, and they were super excited. People here always like to see cool new compute module things. It's going to be awesome.